Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Brie from With Love Brie, and today I have a very quick unpackaging of some dies from Scrap Diva Design Store. She is Erica, and on Instagram she's scrapdiva.29, I believe. She asked me to be a GDT, which is a guest design team member, for the month to design with some of her dies, and she sent some to me to play with. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what she sent me. I always love watching her videos. She always shows such really cute project shares, and I saw that she had her own shop, and of course I bought, you know, the dies that I loved, and I've shared some project shares as well during my giveaway project share using some of her dies. So here are the ones that she sent me. She sent me actually quite a bit. I was not expecting all these, so thank you so much, Erica. I really do appreciate it. Kalea did actually go through this. She dumped it all out. So I remember seeing that there was another card in here, but I don't see it here. Oh, here it is. Okay. I had to throw them in there before I saw them. So here is her info right here. So yeah, scrapdiva.29 on Instagram and on YouTube, and then her store is scrapdivadesigns.com. So I'll make sure to leave that down below for you guys, or if you want to pause on the video so you guys can check her out, you can. So let me go ahead and go over each die with you. I will have some project shares coming up once I've created with the dies. But it looks like here she's included a camera mini album die. And it comes with all the little pieces that you need, especially the little like hole punch areas. So you can actually use this to make different kinds of things. It doesn't have to be an album, but she also included the little hole punch piece, so that way if you guys want to use it as an album, then you can. So there is that, and she also included a stitched camera piece as well, so it could layer on top of this. So that's really fun. This right here is a butterfly die, and this one's really pretty, you guys. She has two different sizes, well, four technically if you don't layer them. But look at how pretty these are, and they all have stitching. I have never seen a butterfly shape kind of like this, so this is going to be really fun to play with. It's always fun to have a variety of shapes of butterflies or just anything in general. This one right here is a charcuterie board. I love charcuterie boards. Chris and I love them, and I love making them for him, especially during the holidays. I like to make salami flowers or like roses, and I love making fruit ones for Kalea, and cheese because she loves cheesy fruits. Charcuterie boards. Every holiday I make one, so this is fun. And anytime I have time, I always like to make a fruit or snack one. So I can't wait to create with this. I don't know exactly what I'm going to do yet with it, but I can't wait to come up with something. And then it looks like right here she has a kind of like a utensil set. So it looks like there's a bunch of like pans and pots. And then she even has a fork, and there's like a spoon right here, and then just so you know, the basic utensils for the kitchen. It looks like some baking stuff as well. So again, another one that I'm gonna try to figure out like what I can do to inspire you guys to get the die. But you guys, you can never have enough dies, especially things like this. I mean, these aren't dies that you see on the daily. These are different, so I do recommend getting them just because, you know, you never know when you'll need a cooking set. And this one looks like it comes with an apron. She has two different kinds. One has like a scallop lace type of print. I mean, not print, but like edge. And then the other one is a stitched edge with the little like ties for the back. And she actually even has a clear stamp. So here it says today's menu. Take it or leave it, and then you can stamp those separately. She has them separate. Queen of the kitchen, stuffed with sugar, wrapped with love, love at first bite, baked with love and care, sprinkled with love, baking sweet memories, baking is love made edible, live, love, and bake. So for all of you that can bake, this is definitely a great set because it does come with a stamp set. I actually bake more than I cook. If anything, I'm the baker, Chris is the cooker. I cook as much as I can, but definitely baking I do. I sometimes just don't have the patience like I do with crafting, but if I had to choose, I definitely would bake. So I can't wait to use this die and make some cute embellishments with those. Another large die. It looks like this is a butterfly album die. And I'm not entirely sure how to use it just yet, but like I said, I have a lot of things that I need to kind of come up with, so hopefully I can inspire you guys on making an album with this as well. Just keep an eye out for the project shares. And it looks like that each of these pieces, so she has a backing piece and a layering piece, which is really fun. So you can actually have like 110-pound cardstock and then do a layering piece with the stitching on there with the top piece with pattern paper. I love that she's included all those pieces. And here she has a pinwheel die. This one she has one stitched pinwheel, and then on the back there are two like just plain ones. There's no stitching on them. I don't know if they're the same size or if they're different. I would have to check. Or if it's a layering piece, but you do get some of the pieces to put them together, so you get a couple different circles and a scalloped one right here in the middle. And this one is a ladybug. This one's cute. I did not know she had this. This is a ladybug shaker die because of this little piece right here, kind of gave it away. So this is a ladybug shaker. And I am trying to figure out exactly what I want to do with this. I cannot wait to design with all these because having different dies, like I said, especially ones that you don't know you're getting, they're, you know, it kind of opens you up to different things. So I cannot wait to create with this, this die. And then the last two, this is a border die. And you guys, these are actually pretty long. It's about 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8 inches. That's actually a great size because not everybody, you know, has a 6-inch. Sometimes you need a little bit longer than 6 inches. So 8 inches is actually a great size. This definitely will fit in your big shot. So if you have just a standard big shot, this will definitely work. But let me show you guys what is included. You guys, these are so pretty. Okay, so these are, some of them are like kind of like Easter, I guess, spring theme. So there are bunny feet. This is the backing. This is the one that you can place on top. So you would cut this out of like, I don't know, maybe like pink, and then this one out of white, and then you can have bunny feet as a border. That's going to be really cute. And then you have a couple of lace ones. So you have this eyelet lace. You have a heart one here, this really large scallop. I cannot wait to play with this one. This one looks really fun. This one has like crowns on there. Do you guys see the crowns? That's going to be perfect for some Disney projects, like princess ones. That's going to be fun. This is a smaller like scallop. It kind of looks like a seashell border. And then the bottom one is a butterfly border die. So that's going to be interesting to play with. I cannot wait to use these borders. Probably gonna make some cards out of these. I think these would be really fun to use as a border for a card. And then the last die is this one right here, which is a pillow box like purse die. So I can't wait to use this one either because this is gonna be different. And it looks like this actually comes with a layering die as well. So these are layering pieces for the actual pillow box. So you would cut this out twice. This is the one on the back. You would cut this one out twice, and then right here you can actually die cut pattern paper and layer it onto your pillow box, which is really cool because when you buy pillow boxes, you know, you have to hand cut them, and then when it comes down to having to do the little rounded parts here, it's a little bit harder to guess on. So that's really nice of her to include that in her die. But you can layer all these pieces. And then she has a little zipper piece as well, because it's a purse. I cannot wait to use this. I know I said that for like every die, but it's because, like I said, I didn't know what she was going to send me. So these are going to be really fun. I cannot wait to design with them and share with you guys what I have designed. But that is my quick little haul video from Scrap Diva Designs. Again, if you guys are interested in her shop, I will link it down below for you guys. Keep an eye out for some project shares because I will have some on these dies here. But I hope you guys enjoyed seeing everything. If you guys would like, these are in her shop now. You guys can go ahead and check it out and purchase some for yourself. But I hope you guys have a great day, whatever day it is that y'all are watching this, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.